Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm excited to take you inside my client's home to share with you my tips on organizing your fridge, some simple ways to bring order to a space that is frustrating in many homes. And friends, also I want to say a huge thank you to my partners iDesign for teaming up with me on this project, and I am so excited to be a brand ambassador, and I can't wait for all the wonderful projects I'm going to be able to share with you and take you into other clients' homes. So let's get started. So friends, the first step is to open those fridge doors, take a look at your fridge, and assess your situation. So in doing this for my client and talking with her, one thing was she really had a lot of things that were in her fridge that she's just kind of pairing through, but she really is not using on a day-to-day basis, but she's basically just trying to get through the items. Also, she has her beverages that are her go-tos and just some simple foods to get through the week. The other thing is she does make healthy meals on Sundays to take away from her home for another project that she works on. So that was really key for her fridge, is having a space for those foods. The next step is to declutter your fridge, and you want to basically take everything out. And as you're taking them out, you want to look at the expiration date to make sure it's not expired, and then you want to group like items together. All expired things, sit them to the side. All keeps you want to put together, but you want to categorize them in like items. So put all the condiments together, put all the kind of sandwich meats together, all like items together. And then anything that you're not going to eat, no one in the family is going to eat, you know that does not need to be in your fridge, you want to pull out. And now that we have an empty fridge, it's now time to give it a nice cleaning, to give it a fresh start. Get your general cleaner and give it a nice wipe down. And the fridge is a place that can get a little gunky here and there, so you definitely want to get all of the drawers, all of the shelves, and really make it clean and pristine. So now let's bring order and maximize this space. And here's where my friends at iDesign come in. Because a fridge is one that needs to be versatile, I don't recommend labeling things in your fridge, because we often change what we eat. And that's why I love a clear organizer in a fridge, one that will keep my food fresh and one that makes it easy for me to identify my items. And this is why I'm in love with iDesign, and why I've always been in love with them, is because they have that exact solution. I am obsessed with their new crisp bins because they are really efficient. What was really important to my client is her veggies, because she's prepping those meals and she needed to be able to make that efficient. And that's why these crisp bins were perfect, because they allow me to sort her veggies so that she can easily get to them and see what she has, so that she knows what she needs to buy. It keeps them fresh. She can see that they're fresh. And with the crisp bins having that insert, it's like heaven in a fridge, because you're able to take out the insert, rinse your veggies, put it back, and make the process easy. She can even prep and clean early and save herself some time. And then below the dairy, I keep her veggies and fruit, the ones that she eats, because the one in the drawer, that's for what she makes to take outside of the home. And then she has her little stash here. Above them, I have all of the packaged drinks, but they're all in a row together. So when you open the fridge, it's clear to you where the drinks are, and it helps everybody in the family keep things in order. Along with the dairy, on the side, I have all of the dairy products. And what I really love about iDesign is a lot of their products are stackable, and this really maximizes the space. The other thing is for the eggs. I love how efficient this is, because it allows you to see the eggs and you easily have your eggs in there. And you can keep a wax marker on hand on top of your fridge to put the expiration dates on the back of the container. It's great for that and makes it easy. Or another tip is to rip off the date on the carton and tuck it in the back of the organizer. That tends to be what I do. I also want to thank iDesign for partnering with me on this project. They are a professional organizer's dream and a dream for every home. And I'm so excited to be a brand ambassador, and I have so many wonderful projects to share with you as I go through my clients' homes. Go to their Instagram and like their Instagram page. I am obsessed with it lately because they give you so much inspiration. It's such an inspirational page when it comes to bringing order in your home. Again, I'll link it below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.